Ọba fẹ́ rí ìjà màálù. Ọba fẹ́ rí ìjà màálù. Wọ́n mú màálù létí báyìí kọ́ fà á létí kọ́ ní àná Muhammad ti kú. Sọ fún màálù pé ànábì tá ń pè mú ọmọ ó ti kú. Wàláhì tó bá délé ń jọ́nà ọlọ́run lọ́la. Wọ́n sọ sétí màálù pé àná Muhammad ti kú. Ọmọ tí jẹ́ Muhammad rẹ̀. Nínú àwọn adábàá kan tí ọmọ bá ànábì kú ni màálù wa. Níjọba ọba wí sí létí ọ̀dà nǹkan mọ̀ ń jọ náà. Sáyẹn tí mo wí, lọ́ba máa lúkọ kan mú etí rẹ̀ báyìí pé àná Muhammad ó ti kú, má wí ìdúbà náà lọ. Ẹ wá nẹ́bi dáadáa o.
Come this side. Ànábì Muhammad ti kú. Get the cow too. Go back. Go back. Ànábì Muhammad ti kú. Ànábì Muhammad ti kú. Go back again. Bless you. Ànábì Muhammad ti kú. Which time did ẹ ti máa ń parọ́ jù àwọn ẹ̀yà àfà ẹ ti máa ń parọ́ jù ẹ má máa parọ́ mọ́ kò dáa ẹ má máa parọ́ mọ́ kò dáa bó ti sọ fún màálù náà pé ànábì Muhammad ti kú kò ṣe nǹkan kan fún mi ànábì Muhammad ti kú puba make they show them too make you no be as if ànábì Muhammad ti kú. Where more to go? No, but no, down a bit. Make I speak.
Yes. We won't get mad now.
We get mad for this ground.
We won't get mad now. Yes.
We get mad for this ground.
Get mad for this ground. Yes.
To Alpha, I don't dey go house, so I don't dey go house. This is me after the video. Because he talk say if you go tell cow, say ànábì Muhammad ti kú, say you go tell am say Prophet Muhammad don't buy. Say the cow go vex, you fit no reach your house. And me now, I don't come out there now, I don't, in short, I won't even go gym. You see, you people lie a lot. Wetin concern cow with Muhammad? Wetin concern cow with Jesus Christ? Alpha go lie, pastor go lie, imam go lie, bishop go lie. All of this to keep people in mental slavery so that they'll see people as God and feel like people communicate with God. If people don't communicate with no God, God don't even know you all. God don't know you all. You will just use all of this to enrich yourself. When I just pray, me person like me, no go enter office. Not me, I'm not going to do politics. You know, somebody like me with my mentality, religion will not exist again in the public in Nigeria. You can only do it inside your house, inside your home. Face your God by yourself. Face your God by yourself. Don't bring those mentalities outside. Because you know, say those people now, they know go Google. They know go do research. All of them just sit down there and say, oh, then they hear you. The cow self not even hear me. He just you see if I feel read the cow mind, the cow will be this fool. Wait till this fool they talk. You don't make cow now call me fool. Because Bobby now see that cow go they talk. For in mind he go just say with this fool. What's this fool doing here? I even talk for where all of them gather. See all of them go rush me once. Nothing. I want to enter inside, but that place when I did not there they gather more and she did the front. So I talk as okay, maybe they'll raise everywhere. Anyways, peace and love, don't play. I mean, not my fault. Not my fault.